Today, we're going to talk about hyper independence, which a lot of people have. And it's just a coping mechanism based from it could be from trauma, it could be from past experiences of relying on other people and not wanting to have to do that again. Just not knowing that you feel like you have the support of others. And the downside of being hyper independent, besides having to do everything yourself, is that it stops you and blocks you from accepting help from source, from that larger part of who you are that knows the way and can support you in your path. So, today's meditation, we're going to connect to all of the help in the universe that we have, that is available to us. We're going to let go of this hyper independent and we're going to allow ourselves to receive the guidance and the help and the rest that we need. All right, so for this meditation, just get comfortable. We're just going to start off by getting grounded, breathing in through the soles of your feet, breathing in safety. I think a lot of our hyper independence comes from not feeling safe. So just access the safety on your breath, breathing in safety, and on the exhale, letting go of any fears or unsafety. Just allows yourself to feel really grounded and connected to the earth and the support. Feel yourself being held by Mother Earth, the gravity holding us in place, nourishing our field with the electromagnetic field of the earth. Breathing in strength. Breathe in the courage you need to ask for assistance. Just breathe it in. This is just using your imagination to access what is already there in your field. Like call it up, bring it, breathe it into your physical body, into your field. All of the safety, all of the protection, all of the strength that you need. There is no place safer than inside, connected to the source. We are physical beings and we are spiritual beings. You can put your attention to the crown of your head, breathing in this safety, this protection from the connecting to the larger part of who you are, your soul, your spiritual being, the part of you that has access to all of the guidance you need to source. On the exhale, just fill up your field as if you're blowing up a balloon. On the inhale, breathe those qualities into your field. Let it expand with the exhale. Breathe in this divine guidance. Breathe in divine help. With every breath in, allow there to be dose after dose after dose, strengthening your energy field, feeling safer and more connected with every breath. The access to this guidance, to this grace, to this light is always available. We are the drop in the ocean, and we are the ocean. We cannot be separate. That light that is divine intelligence, let it pour in like a waterfall, filling up your field, your tank for the day. Till it's overflowing and expanding. There's an ease here with this help. I do not need to know what to do, my little mind. All I need to do is access the divine guidance and support that is available for me. Breathe in this knowing. Breathe in this assistance. Imagine yourself asking for help and let it pour in. Allow yourself to receive the safety of this love, of this help, of this amount of grace. And now see the day before you, whatever it is on your agenda for the day, feeling the safety and the security of this connection to all the help that you need. Practice if you can. It's a great practice to train your brain to asking for help and then receiving it. And call on your angels. Ask for the parking spot that you need. Ask for the words that you need to speak. Ask this divine guidance for the energy you need to do what it is you want to do, to be the who that you are. When you show up as authentic and as yourself, you don't need to figure things out. You can respond to any situation on your breath, accessing what you need, this guidance that's available. And then now, besides today, if there's a certain situation that you need help with, practice asking for help. Hey, God, hey, Source, hey, future self, Hey, angels, show me the way. You lead and I will follow. Now breathe in the relief and the love that's available, allowing yourself to receive all of the help, all of the love, and whatever your situation is. And you can open your eyes, and now that you've got a full tank of guidance and you've kind of trained your brain to ask for help, remember to ask for help throughout the day. Get used to practicing, to leaning into the help that's available. And with time, our wounds or trauma will heal, and we can open ourselves to accepting help from others too, allowing ourselves to have better connections, better relationships, and better teamwork at work or at school. So, you guys have a great day. Just remember that you have all the help that you need for this day. Subscribe if you want to be notified of the meditation tomorrow.